different looks to post the video, and I don't know what went wrong. Something went wrong and I didn't get to do it. But you know, I love Patrickstarrr. He's like, yeah, he's everything. I love Patrick. He is like the shizzle. I love you, Patrick. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to be creating this look with the Patrickstarrr. So if you want to see how I got this look, continue watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate the fact that, you know, a few of you people have been, you know, interacting with my content. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me and I really want to grow here. So yeah, so join the family, guys. Don't be shy to click that subscribe button. Don't be shy to click that like button, and also don't be shy to click that notification button. And yeah, without further ado, as Patrick said, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so he's taking this shadow.
I'm gonna take this eyeshadow palette by Elf. It's called
but of course I don't got those shadows. I'm just gonna go in with this shade from I'm gonna go in with Taza from the Saharan palette, Saharan 2 palette by Jwillscool. I'm gonna go in with Taza, and I'm gonna be using Taza as my transition shade, as he used earlier. So we're going with Taza right here at our crease.
And then I wore this to my interview. This is the e.l.f. matte contouring blush and bronzing powder. This to me was very similar to the NARS Orgasm and Laguna bronzer duo, because the packaging was the same. I remember back then everyone was like comparing it. So I literally got this and I wore this every day. So it's like really cool to have it back on my face.
Okay, so that's nice.
Next, I'm gonna take this color.
So then what I'm going to do now, because that's what he did, he went in with a deeper shade, like a brown, a red actually. So I'm gonna go in with Zora from the same Saharan palette, and I'm just gonna take Zora right here in the crease. Oh, I'm going to use a different brush. I just remembered. Yeah, I'm going to be using this brush to take Zora into my crease. Because that's what he did. Yeah, and then he just basically blend it out, and then maybe this is good. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this gold.
Next for the lid, I'm gonna take this e.l.f. Molten Liquid Shadow in the color Liquid Gold.
Liquid Gold, but I don't got that liquid gold. So the
I'm gonna take some on the back of my head and take this flat brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and layer this onto the lid.
And then we're just gonna add that to our crease as we did.
I'm gonna do the other side. Look. Oh my god.
And I'm gonna do the same thing that you did. Take a minute for this, the pigmentation.
Next, I'm just blending to like pat it out, because you know you don't want to look too crazy. You want to just look like a subtle effect.
Yes, Patrick.
Next, I'm going to take these 3 blush colors right here and just go ahead and blend over so there's no harsh lines. Just like a peekaboo of gold.
Okay, so now we're going to go in with... I'm just going to blend it out as he said we should. That's what he did.
So next, under my lash line, I'm going to take this Maybelline Lasting Drama colored eye pencil in the color Silken Turquoise. So next, I'm just going to smudge out that pencil underneath at the front. Looking real cute. So it's not so hard.
Okay, so he's using a pencil.
The pencil is so comfortable.
Whatever pencil that is, Patrick, I don't got that. I got something. This is called Me Now. I think it's from China. This is Me Now eye lip liner pencil made in China, yes. And this is in the color 36. It's like this. I'm I'm just gonna mix up some stuff just to get the color that he has, because I have nothing, you know, like that. But yeah, this is a true. I truly follow Patrickstarr's makeup tutorial. This is like true life. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with this now. Right here.
This color is so good, and the pencil is so comfortable under the eye. It's real cute.
Oh, and you use
so next, I'm
pencil
gonna
to
take this
smudge it
blue
out.
eyeshadow by Maybelline called Acid Rain. It is so pigmented. You see that? And I'm just going to add this on the outside to give it some extra dimension.
Okay.
So next from the drug.
Okay, so he's taking something called Acid Rain. I don't have acid neither rain. So I'm gonna mix up some, yeah. I'm going to go in with the same, let's see. I'm gonna go in with the, let's see what color. I'm gonna go in with Berber from the Saharan 2 palette. Yeah, so I'm gonna be using a smudgy brush or shaded brush, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. I'm gonna be using a shaded brush, and I'm just gonna add that on top. The Berber on top, right here. Sounds like Bieber, Justin Bieber. Okay, so I have Berber. And Berber looks blue. So what I'm gonna do, since Berber looks so blue, I'm gonna go in with this Berber. I'm gonna go in with Molly from the same Jwillscool palette. So I'm gonna add Molly on top just to get that turquoise. Yeah. So I'm gonna go with Molly. Oh, nice. So Molly is giving me the turquoise looking, bluish looking, popping under the color looking, yeah. And the Molly is from the masquerade palette. Yeah, you're blind yourself like a girl. So I almost look like Patrick. Patrick look like you? Look like Patrick? Do I look like Patrick? Let's see myself. Oh, no, I can't see myself on big screen. Let's see if I look like Patrick. I look like Patrick? Kinda. Maybe. Okay, guys. I'm done with this now. I'm done with the eye them now. I'm done with the eye. Simple thing this, you know. But, you know, in true Patrick extra, you don't know, everything just look extra. So, yeah, guys. Let's get into the face. So, I'm just gonna start all over with the video because, you know, I did the opposite of Patrick because that's basically how I do my thing. So we're gonna go in with this brush. We're gonna go in with this brush and then we're just gonna add this all over our face. But we're not gonna add a lot because, you know, I kind of added my concealers.
For what I have really porous areas, just take a little bit. So next for foundation, I found this foundation at the e.l.f. store. This is amazing. This is the e.l.f. HD Mattifying Cream Foundation.
The foundation is just like
and
toppers.
it's super full coverage. You would just need a lot of setting powder, but this gives the skin a dewy glow. I'm gonna take it with the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush, and it's literally exactly like the matte full coverage, just a little bit more dewy.
Yeah, we did
You see
that.
how full coverage that is?
Yeah, full coverage. Look at my face.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It is so good. And
Oh
I'm
my
just gonna
god.
put this all over my face.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do one side so you can see the difference between makeup and no makeup. I want to buff it here on the nose.
Yeah, I did that already.
I'm in the color caramel brush. Alright, so moving on to concealer, I'm going to take this Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Concealer. This is really, really good. It's kind of like the Urban Decay Weightless Naked Complete Coverage Concealer. This is really, really good. I'm going to go ahead and apply this on the high points of my face.
Alright, Patrick. So I don't know so when I will use that because I'm not. I'm going with my good old LA Girls. I'm going to go in with my good old LA Girls Pro Concealer in color Fawn. So, let's begin. So we're going to go. So I don't know so when I will use that because I'm not. I'm going with my good old LA Girls. I'm going to go in with my good old LA Girls Pro Concealer in color Fawn.
Of a beauty blender. I love that one because it has a flat edge and it's round and comes on one side. This one, however, I kind of find that it's very soft as well. This is the Morphe Flawless Beauty Blend. I've never tried it. It's my first time trying it, so it's kind of like a drugstore meets first impressions. So far, so good. It's really, really soft, and I'm going to go ahead and use it. But if I did have it, I would use the Real Techniques one. Alright, y'all know the star of the show. This is the air.
Okay, so he didn't show that. I'm just gonna blend it out.
Use the Real Techniques one. Alright, y'all know the star of the show. This is the Airspun Loose Base Powder. This is in the color Translucent Extra Coverage. I love this. It's
Me
amazing.
too!
It smells like grandma. I do that
but just don't
every
got it.
time. I'm gonna shake it upside down.
Yeah, me too.
Oh yeah.
Oh
I'm
yeah.
gonna take a powder puff and put it in. Just be real careful.
Patrick always gets excited when he's adding
much texture
powder.
on my face, but this powder
But
makes
I'm gonna
your
use
skin so
this.
smooth. But you just have to press it in.
Yeah.
So all the
Buff it in your skin. I'm gonna be using my Black Opal Patrick. I'm gonna get excited about Black Opal. You know.
Alright, so next, these powders are actually really good. They're full coverage. You can use it by itself. But you know me, I love full coverage. But I'm going to take the lighter color, Light. Again, it's the Pure 4-in-1. This is light tan. I'm going to take this and put this underneath my eyes.
Okay, so I'm gonna be using.
Perfect. Next, I'm going to take the cover.
Wait, no. So guys, I'm going to be using my so I'm gonna be using my LA Girls Glam. I'm gonna be this one.
Coral
Oh my god, Patrick. Oh my god.
Cute little rose shape.
So I'm gonna be using the color now to just.
Gonna take this and
so he just used a bronzer to bronze his face.
Shit, that's too much. If you go overboard with blush, just take your face powder and just go over it.
Okay.
And just buff it out.
Add a little warmth to my face.
Alright, so I just added some to cut the cheeks.
Seriously, Patrick?
Alright, wait. So next, I'm gonna take this clear Great Lash Bag.
Okay, Patrick, I want that extra. I want that extra. I want that extra.
So since my extensions are a little bit
So guys, this is where I just didn't know what I was doing.
Okay guys, so just kind of fix up my hair and I added some lipstick, but guys, I'm sorry, I don't got what the lipstick that Patrickstarrr used. So okay guys, so this is my look. I went in with the lip color. I didn't really have the colors, but I searched for something and this is the closest I could get to it. So yeah, this is my take on my Patrickstarrr, honey.
everyone, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a very full coverage, bronzy glam with a pop of color, a nude lip. It is very, very easy to do. All it takes is time and patience, and of course, it contains all full products from the drugstore. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video.